Muna housewarming parties, engagement parties, igatie binde bige. Bono Getembe Television Network Nero ego kwaiga asiri golidio gotukutera. Ninchwe omurikirwe ye masege munaba manyibita bobale nobo manyibiguro. Igeti byetibwate signal ere enkongo. Igwikira abantu bange asubunge asamange. Onye kuganiti omurikirwe nabukulika jumbenge. Wego gwitira semeria WhatsApp. Wosigu yakisi migwitira namba 0741499726.
Getembe Television ekionga kiamamogusi.
Wancho murigeria Getembe TV mbiyamuro nanda soko gendera gotigara gosanga na intwe na bigo kugendera ko bwatiria omurobirio iga bwenkwana ya Getembe ase ejumeiga turachigosanga amange una nachika ko tebye siasa chirgongo rwagusi na bigo tunyara ko batokorigeria ya gendrete bosi buko yarigania ase obochori buri bosi asabaria bange basokira samotkabu angoiga gokwandra obomo bosi umwaka bw'ikirubere na 2025 na nemono tokwandre siasa na boigo obora iboge siasa se county ya Kisii ase studio ninde no mogeni na nyare ko bagingo kwana riatari ayo maramange tiganyare ko bagingo mwari bagago kwani elinde tunyara ko batogoswa ase enkwana ito ya rero ase mitandao Facebook na YouTube twasoire buna Getembe TV namba ito esimino era ase screen yago igosanga na into kurbono ase ege ka kirebosio angense ya moga kerotorigeti ko kwanda iga amange. Karibu sana mheshimiwa. It's been a while kwa nyataka boga segeta sene kegeto naboko mukwani mwancho murigere nabego mugusi bosi obwe nkwana ito yobotko bwala
mbiyamno Clinton aba ncho bategeraria nabali batoligeretie njengro Thomas obare yondo mu MC obasi boitangare obasi boitangare gotoka se constituency abo basi se miaka 5 ninja baitangare baroche ngambara and I really appreciate support yali batoete kwa kirambia mono nabagusi bonzi asabategerete kurungu batakero bategereria ubia.
Karibu sana mwanchumo rigereria bonotika tunyara ko batogoswa AMS tunyara ko batogo kwandra mheshimiwa bare kwanza where have you been ngakimero biro yabeire underground metendo rakora sana ngaki ground kwa beire bose elif kwa lengake because you've taken a long break. Christmas, happy new year.
Mano Clinton siasa ne nkongu sometimes mbiyo kwara take a break kwara rigetinga ngaye bintu bikoenda gochi nande kwara rigerio kogani kwa bali bagwa kerete kura agakora kwara renga for a while na rakirake kwara rigeringa nkikegenderete and then we've been following up on the projects tirtua etetia se budget ya June torenga nkokoruchire and I can record good progress inga intembia called procurement hopefully the project in Kenya kororekana.
Oh, at least you've been doing work never calling behind the scene and maybe to ask na ki ensemo yewodia we abasa bitangare so far so good akimero beriaga and in terms of development, in terms of good leadership and semeyo
ntobwate problem on implementation ye budget there is one thing mogusi atanya ko setari mogusi and we need to do a lot of civic education ya samangana you uno mo MCA te okora development what happens eto wetie budget omondo kwenye implement ne executive ekora uno mugavana so we've had a problem na mangana implementation but yo mako I'm very happy and I've seen governor come out strongly o sukuma implementation ye budget. We hope nga gocha ko bintu bibiyonse tobegete se budget ngoko rubire before to ike June and that is the only thing that sabe mo governor ito. I'm very happy na morode ochakire projects here and there. We hope nko bachire speed it up so that tanyore ko nyanga koranga twa koreira abantu bali batwakirite ekure gasi.
Andake mheshimiwa kwa mentioned about executive mbono ya chakireko.
Yes, we have been very slow. I can tell you the implementation year budget it has been at around 40%. So most of the projects yonya tobegeta say budget okonyoranga nchira koru. But this year hopefully and utara kore 70 to 80% saving the big cross budget.
Maybe anda kanare gari maybe mwancho bodigero raboringa what slows down the implementation cross executive na ndekero the slow pace you execute so we implement these policies as the members of the legislature. Kinki mo wenda ko kora kwene kinga this is because this is almost the third year na ribo no what the executive yang era koro at least willingness yogo to implement some of the policies mo etira the legislative
tingo nyara ko kwana executive tingo mo chano
ga essence mo una legislature
na kwana ko decide assembling and to the budget but implementation ni kaba slow from the part of the executive tingo nyara ko problem ga yarenge but hopefully they have found where the problem was. Tigatoka gerenga going forward even the be a big cross budget be implemented according to plan. Nani ngamula tuata ba parageta ekoru within that time frame. Again to kende nage kwanelete ga se TV mbali abafanyikazi be county banyore freedom yabo yo gukora egasi. You see ekarogwate chief officer for instance tiganyore freedom yaye akore egasi ya ekarogwate minister more freedom and trust in him so that anyare gukonya gukora egasi. Hopefully una tuikire mid term ye term yega yaitubuna ba MCA no serikali yonsi governors learned few things here and there. No ane office ya Naro Chenga is moved it to where it is. I'm hopeful he has learned things and is going to change management style yae. And that is why kwa rolenga about no at least even to be attacked to move few words here and there chipara chiare miru nindoche mangana correlate na mache attack ko implement mangana correlate na ECD classes attack ko implement and that is good. That is a good thing.
And I can MMC at least no there is good hope going forward.
I'm very hopeful this year I'm very hopeful.
Tirato skipo sibo na tunyar ko ba to kwanda ndake birengeri bya na bokotwa never a historian kego so far so good because we are talking tonight as a amonchuri ya yobora iboge siasa yoganda to gura soro ngoro gusia ne mona se county ya Kisii where we've come from na where we are na boga se toroje in as much as to to kwatagara chinkwa na chavara gura soro ngoro iga siasa choro kongorwa gusi specifically a county ya Kisii so far na kyura nyarko bako kuchikwandra ngaiche ikirina ande ngaichiroje
siasa ya Gusii in the last 2 years ya very chaotic. Tuatware siasa tatanyare like dibaga toko ikaransa buna barai tukwanera nenga na kitoko move county toko chimotu ya very ngano koligania mangana nyare bara menyarebe nyare ba kwane gore nyarebe. I'm praying ngamuna tu ikiro mwaka wa 2025 going forward unegesa gukyo mu Gusii there is need to ikaransa amo to manyenga ngaito ko iregesaku because kunya kurutera na mangana kuna kunya kupimana tebuati moro kworoke kuya unasi egesaku egento kendo isukurigereri nebisa kwebinde na bikorra nga mu Gusii tari serious because mu Gusii mato arega so ndru kwana na sauti emo twangonyoranga there is a way mu Gusii ara kwana ne sauti emo wasene tabanga ne sauti ema spase lakini abenga ntubwato muraine nturigereti oranyare ko rumwelekeo it will be a very positive thing which asegesa kukyo mu Gusii
tiga tunyar ko batugo skapo sio tunyar ko batugo kwandra now that we are all in assembly biriga buna inwa na siasa ko making by 2027 at least ngokwana muri ni muno gwate bire your colleague some of your colleague members of the county assembly mba korete taro gocha sense media ya Nyeri the Wamnyoro area. Tinkoro choro go say you are there chibija chitara soka because some of them ba sokiri ba ile mbachi atoro chibija charo country but siku kuona mheshimiwa.
No, it's a very Nyeri kwenda kora former deputy president. Nere welcome. You see Kenya democracy. Kero montana the freedom of association and expression. Kada mukwaro renga nyare benabara atuare something kero of benefit to abantu bali bagwa akirite kura na bokwenda kwara tegerera. For me, I didn't attend because na
invite yango.
Ende gerde na endoro. Kero ko ndigeriga. Amukora zunguru. So but again to appreciate, I appreciate very much toro. I don't think to me ngankiarenge mata siasa mbakoli gelinga yo kuchina ndenga yo koru. For me, I didn't find reason you attend. Towards 2026 maybe we'll seek such partnerships.
But rende mheshimiwa invitation ngwanya data.
No,
it's only that you didn't find a good reason you go ikira na say.
No, I didn't have an invitation. I don't want to say ngana the invitation. I didn't have an invitation.
Thank you so much. Tiga bono toke andrego sanga mwancho murigera toke natokorigera monchoria ande mona sobora ibwage siasa se orogongorega. We've had leaders kurasa matukama gaga bagweso kina gokwandanga. It's time to evange no mheshimiwa barotebire. It's time omugusine ranya gokwana nerio gerimo. Tiga turacha turamboria mheshimiwa bare going forward se chinkwana chago na ande buno murai kwabera se o ege kasobora ibwage siasa. What do you think should be done forward asenge nchebya mabyage siasa ne bingeto bwata sorongorwa gusi bata bange babere bagweso kina batabanga ntogane tie kiame kemo nari tokutwara bomo nari yogiri go soka erimo. What do you think going forward asenge nchebya ma they are around 5-6 ebinge sana. So what needs to be done going forward? Is it a way yokorosie kiama or is it a way yogo support yo moitogo so asekero keri? Is it about what?
Kutwale byame binge nerebya. But again, kara bono gutaka kutwara numbers chirichira agara na inu be recognized mbuya mutwale kiame kemo as long as kebe open and democratic. I believe nga kartobwate kiame kemo ntonyare ko tware ryugiri nenake kubwa gutwara ngonyoro bwato sino mo MC yomo mujumbo yomo tuliko ba taken serious. But this what abanga gusi atware for instance kiame kemo ndeta chora bajumbe 13 yuna wana no liyo gochoro president tako ignore region yeyo na bagotaka ko negotiate noli ore monene wikiame. That is how kwaroromo omogaranya adrigo bargain was Alfred Mutua. Alfred Mutua na maendeleo chap yae has managed to bargain few slots and that the same to Kalonzo. So if we have a political party, for instance ya Gusii, iranya rekorete biroge 13 byonse bya Gusii. Na bako nyoranga na no president of the day ngo na aligererie region ya Kisii in a different way.
So okogania nkororo gutware kiame kemo.
Okogania konene nkororo lakini gentekenene ke very democratic. Torete kiama otumi chake na ndiko miga abandi.
Na kinare ko kubolia sengencho I know abogutware nkwana you be na capacity to answer this sengenche bya mi gato bwate byonsi nkuru asoro gongorega abange babere bago kwandra about the influence ya upa. Ahibuno MCA, what do you think the Matiang'i effect? Abange babere bago in tare so kiaro manyene but leaders have been pushing for it. Asense moyaga ebuna MCA obasibo itangare. What do you think the UPA effect na boigo the Matiang'i presidency uchibosionga kira achikoreta influence yerenga?
Mheshimiwa Matiang'i tarate bango boyaro president. I'll be able to make a comment about the presidency yae kara declare. But in the meantime he has got very good reception ekara gutara saba antoiga nabo kuyo antawa Matiang'i gotena to support. But now nabora nyorenga that is only within region yetu ya Gusii. Once he declares and then he becomes a national figure nabo to gotebanga bona into bwato mwana ito we will rally behind him. But then we will rally behind him eroma ina tara declare again to kende wabo about upa wanyeroka. I don't think stage yo Mheshimiwa Matiang'i na ganikorani na UPA. UPA is a local political party. If Matiang'i is to run for president, he must craft a different political party. And as much as he got a solid foundation gusi to a national outlook. Nariara nyare ko ukwane na bisa kubinde. Mugusita namba yetu yoka teko nyara kumweka presidency. So mpaka tu ale party bwata national outlook. Umuntu uri Mombasa araswe, umuntu Northeast ni araswe. Tumanya ko tebanga bono Matiang'i is qualified for presidency. Upa from Nyamira cannot take him to presidency.
Make me understand. Ekemakia Upa. It's not with the national look.
Upa te the national look. Upa ngayere.
Yes, of course. It doesn't qualify ko.
It will be yani it will era abune joke. Era abune mchezo. Watawanga Matiang'i tenaro president na Upa. Upa iga seito gusito nyemanyete. Oenda Mombasa te mondo Upa ko wodi kiningi. So for a person who wants otaketa ko be president. Mpaka atuale party ebwata national outlook. Ekarokos okorigeri UDA. It is everywhere. Ekarokori ODM. It is everywhere. So for any presidential candidate to be serious, Bakaligi party is well crafted. Ebwate branches Mombasa, wapi Kenya nene. Omanya kata anga bono you have a party yoko put on a formidable force yoko rigo presidency. Maite na boto kata banga yes Mheshimiwa Matiang'i ko boyero president aba constituency P to mwakere. But we will not take him to presidency. So mpaka tonyore support yebisa kwebinde bayiko bato support abagere baluya bake. So karoko mixigo makonyoranga tuasukire. Matiang'i has a very good track record na akorete gasi yaren korrekana. And that is why we tell you nyo kwana. But bono erentara dekele ani to como kwana. Dekele.
Na bara ibaga ndo kwana and that's where
and there is a problem. Umaita siasa nero nugupimana. Wana antombale ba igure nga Matiang'i ri etali ayambi yalite otaka kweba chama ya Matiang'i ga we sail through that wave. So we must also be very careful wave ya Matiang'i tebo kuri mesigo ya abantu bande onye ground kiane gya sare kire njaga kweba chabono nga Matiang'i ngo support njaga otare ngo tanga Matiang'i so that abantu bebe kumbulia maswali what I was supposed to do.
That's why togo cha sensemo ya barai tunyako togo kwanda whatever in as much as Mheshimiwa Fred Matiang'i nacho ya Sokia and many others igontura manya sengen choma Matiang'i manyana you mentioned tara Sokia kwanda renganiga we may have many bago ya Sokia ko chibosio mechanism kiorengetira chikobe kwa sengencho as of now. Truth be told, tari bara ibonse kura soro ngorega specifically county ya Kisii bago kwana aserio gerimo. One is pulling this side, one is pulling this side. Nkiorengera tikira chiko konya before 2027 abara yabaiga bachamo to support one candidate. In as much as politics is about interest.
Bono po avoid revia ingigera akoru. Oyiwate ko borio president ne ro takere bano ko unify abara yabo. I make sure nga korunka we speak in one voice. But onye gogo chakera korugusi onye orenga gusina take ko tolake kumurutama gena tolake gokoraki na bako nyoranga ya moberera kongo. But again for him to convince Omogusi Omogusi no monto mungaini. For him to convince Omogusi mbaka oroki force Omogusi amanya ko ba united buensi maiga yaye. But once kwa regarding a force abagusi imbale ndishwa bara ake sabu yabatanga aka kende nkeyo ketwe bango chumuina so kwa onyorenga ne kwende ya muchandira.
So we are hoping inga on the buensi wojuwe Sokia number 1 have a unifying factor.
You must be a unifying factor as Omogusi to polarizing. You must be a unifying factor na ando obe figurehead nga oyonera twins to koligereri bana.
Tikatura sukabusio Mheshimiwa baada sengencho ntura nyorankwana yako on this umuraibwense under the party you are in Mheshimiwa Daktari William Ruto ubwato kirama baga yegasi ya serikali gocha soro kongorega Kisii County being one of them but abaraibande batanli these positions down there isn't one no mheshimiwa Timothy Bosire kurase county ya Nyamira uyoro mugachibwe kya makiria ODM na tugutetale livagari obonya kero gubike makiria NTSA are we losing it hase okutabwaterera amabagayega you know other sides or other communities in as much as mbari bago criticize serikali but karabanya or something you can't even know they took it kurwasoro kongore harwa gusi what is really happening are we demanding too much bose ibiroge bigo chabita kwa chama skani una abande babere bagoteba
first ngitado kurekebisha njitindi UDA nje na chore tu independent so I'm not a member of UDA but correspond rende mangana ya chigasi I believe ngakero montana about the freedom yae yogo chora kelike como fit but rende me I want to commend the president otemire koena na mabaga in as much as tara ena nabuna kugani wito kuarenge otemire ko inyoro mugusi inyoro we have the Ministry of Education and few parastatals and there nabogo togo tanga tara inyoro mugusi completely again to kwabori about ebisa kubinde ko irama baga that's a personal choice. For instance, Mheshimiwa Timothy Bosire ataire tedi bagariri it should not reflect on the community omugusi yangiriri bagerio though mangana buna ali parastatal sometimes nebwate benefits chia na bakoranga ne chairman bo chairman bo konyore besenge but kerora ali na bo konyara ko negotiate bintu bilibyo ko within the parastatal even for few people here and there so in tendo chenga terbiya kwange gento kali kweru and I'm sure sometimes ngo bari consulted bali bakwewe but rende mbali na into toko takatwa ka siasa out of it lekitalibuya
lakini aringe nkoboria sengencho abega babere bagutugutire biroge biga are like you leaders go chabari baba informed asengencha banga konyora bako immediately ba radiwa senseme mitandao na barabu immediately back and then you tend to ask
no I believe before ba appointed nkobore consulted either if you are not consulted ngobere nganko abori tiri bageri usekwanya oranga dirikuwa abori toiru kwa guringao ngagete na geyo kiagechi abande batirena agno madam na chigasi cha serikali jere chinke so many people batagete chigasi echi kelia ga kwa iru for instance ambassador or legacy you ambassador that is a good job kelia ga to iru sometimes it is good to appreciating her to anyoreke we demand for more
aguna sense mo ye birogo nandu gwatairinga to your words the teri ya kwanga keri kwa iru what can you say about the development korwase serikali kwa soro kongorega rwagusi asobora ivuga bwe muraibu ense Dr. William Ruto miaka ngeberega have we benefited
kombo diswari kongo yogo ngira za William Ruto agenda ze county
asoro kongorega anemone county ya Kisii to receive what we deserve as voters na intukura sense mega
Clinton is calling Korwa actually today na matanga na renge I can tell you that mwananchi is not happy intombili buya again don't tender sabanga in the next 2 years here to before the soy campaign at least onyorenge bintu 1-2 bya kwa rubi korrekana ndogo tabanga gastira koru wanda kitu cha north ndoche chilami chire jigonya wetor wanda bogirango ndoche chilami chire jiwetor nyali bali naro chenga few there is a lami so ndogo taba fulinga ngeyo gya koriru but nailing to sabanga bono going forward tiga accelerate implementation ya projects so that na barabuna karabata kuirana tonyore nganto bwate gento to gote mwananchi twakorire
that's it chine chinkwana chayo mwanchu murigeria Mheshimiwa Thomas Obare gokwandra igoro yobo koreri na boigo bwa siasa kurwase orkongorega rwagusi ande mono county ya Kisii mono hasibali bagenda gusangana intwe amabori yagonto chikona kobato ko yabori ase ensemeri ya kabera se namba ito esimi eyura se screen ya SMS tiganda soma bali kurwase ensemega ya online akuru kwa jeria kirubo abata na bwaterretie kurwase ensemeri ya Bahrain ngumbu the Nyari Barisan nera gotebanga nwari mikuru asensemo ya Miruka Market gotebanga tunyako batukurigeria ensemeyo Alex Mauti nere kurwa Maro Kisi County no arime yomoroberio amo kurwa Gesima Nyabuba pamoja akurukwanga Ekionga Meri tunyarako batogoswa anyarako bagagoswa se enkwana ya Getembe. Thank you so much. Tutaragenda se omotumuko omotangani Mheshimiwa Obare herire togocha sensemo ya kabere turakwandra basi boitangana singe njomete 2025 tomanyanga kemeroberio obegete naki obokoreri bwe serikali ye county ya Kisii ande mono abantu ba gukurwa sensemo ya basi boitangana singe ground kwengerero ngaki ba gotebi so far serikali ya county ya Kisii ya delivered to its mandate.
Bueno, na kagete na kitu chakera the feeling mashinani neling ntorakora match kadoko tagarara manuni kali abantu we are at least at 50%, 40 to 50%. The county needs to do more. And then I've recommended how governors started this year. I hope that all projects chirichira say budget ngonya arare go implement because yekina kikera tokonye onye projects yechinje go chikokoru ebintu mpaka bibe bikongo because boni ebgento mwana inchi yakobuli epara nero amache ngayare ECD ngaichire health centers inje batamaliobo. Those are the questions one yatokomera makara tokoenda na functions muna matanga nini ibintu nebyo. So I believe we need to do more. But more needs to be done.
Yeah, thank you so much. Bono mwanchumo rigaria no tokwero motumokomo tangani gagwo asinkwa na Getembe mbyo mona sibade gyanto gusangana tutokora no Mheshimiwa na chiko bakago tomanya from his side buna homo MC asensemo ya legislature mirobiriki abekirororo naboigo ase omwako yugo 2025 ne engaki ya iyo tigarete ase kiroge keiga what is in plan for you naboigo kerato gochia ko kubwatuka ayega gochia sensemo executive asate abire barapo buna ba MC ensemo yabo noko make policies yikiga no estimate amaganda yakagire kwane ko mashinani batigire ensemo executive yanyara ko bakego ikirania senchirenge ganda gutoma maburi yago hasensemo yakabere tokorana tunyara ko ba toko yabeka ase omweshimiwa igo mwancho mulgeria toskane.
Getembe Television Ekionga Kiamamogusi. Enokem Agrovet Limited ni gomono ba ukwarigania ayumurebe chingati chigachiri simeka ochebwenyorere obuyo ne chimbusuru chingia byonse asamugoria maya kegema ni goba gotoka asongochi obosongo ensema ya Falcon mbarobale ne petrol station ya Shell kusa orosegeru wabo oronene kegema rore jogo angene skuru yoboroso ya jogo primary bakira simyase namba 0113-388-513 Kusem 0115-318-887 Kusem 040-186-688 Kimya igesariao asokugura ubuyo ni chimbusuro chingikiranu kurwa Enokem Agrovet Limited.
Togende amonu gusaba torra mokia maiso. Para via bangaro chebakara. Para via bangaro chebakara. Para via bangaro chebakara.
Oburuso bumuguse.
Irasa kobe nyombe ye ikabone sacha kuri ukurwa n'abantu benderi. Gusiba gosoka kabiri. Bono uyo igangane ro musigani ngakiare gokora.
Bantu barenge goko sigana kujiso oyoro muyasigani kuchisomoroki. Igo kwa amangana ale koligi gutali kuchaka dibachaka gona konywomana.
Ya.
Yale ko ira nonya no mwaka.
Numanyite amaroso y'umugusi ase aigekeire.
Naende egatone kengobe kabarenge tibogore na mabwali twale korosio na inda bagakabuka bale konyu basaimbale konyu ababuna lero onye kolinse myaka 40 to konywa maruna bagaka gorasibi gotebu genda gendorende chombe
nomanyite emegiro emeyega chinyanga nebiro by'umuguse tagwe chande mono ekero tamanyite biga
chichingiri no chimanyete
ni chibwate ni chimanyete
obeka chichingiri nelitimo no lioko baimara omoimari obogorio omotoyego chekire kurunso kubetegana kyokoroko
omuntu ekero omuntu agochiereire bobe muntu nabago kuigwira bobe ogenda ogokenga osokorigereriga amaisa amabe gochiabu gosenkwari meti omorero moragori nabako gotebi
Getamba television ni gomono iga ebwate amairanelio ao onsi asamabolio ao onsi meyumurobilio oburuso bw'umugose imatano tinsa ibere nenusu asa television yao yagatembe abamenyi bekegusi nomugusi nechingege kerechiga mbakorae ekero the best bread in town mkate Enoch akoba tangana asoko koletera umurubiryo yiga uburuso bw'umugusi. Please don't touch that dial.
Are you ready to become the next biggest music star? Do you have what it takes to compete with the best of the best? Oh, yeah! And walk away with over 1 million Kenya shillings in grand prizes. Auditions are open for Kenya's Star Search on Saturday 1st February and Sunday 2nd February at the Nairobi City Hall Charter Hall from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Come through and show us what you're made of. Proudly sponsored by
Star Times. Enjoy digital life.
Getamba television ekeonga kiamamogusi.
Karibu sana mwancho murigeria ase enseme iga ya kabere yomorobirio bwenkwana yagetembe jume iga tugenda tegosangana mwishimwa Thomas Obare erikorigeria oborai bwa gesiasa ase enseme iga ya rungorwa gusiane mono e county ya Kisii na atebe enseme iga nero tugochikosanga korigeria amaborio ago igogendera gosangana into mwancho murigeria genda gotoma amaborio ga enseme ya kabere nte turaso ase enseme ya basi boitangare tunyara ko batokorigeria mwishimwa Baraso mwako iga 2025 yote atebirandake ogwancho kuyankororo kurwa sensemeria executive gochekonekia igatia magendero aliba etire kurwa se ebunge ye county na chigo ikanigwa se nchirengia. Karibu sana mheshimiwa sensemega ya kabere timedia stogo chakira sengi chamba gendero na mange chipara chiskuru nchego retundura manyanga kimero biro ye chiskuru amache tikatura chakira ensemo ye chiskuru asenge ncho it is a new month, a new year asensemo ya basibo itangare so far so good ngakimero biro ye from your office. What have you budgeted for in terms of infrastructure? Naboiko chibasa chechi county chiro choncha chibwate msuko kidogo ngakia bana kurwa sense me basi boitangare from your office bago benefit
kwa board bia mwako yo iko 2024-2025 tobwate 4 classes 4 classes na anda kan saying na rabi bia bia advertised toro se contractor ne toke classes ichiga no maitega sio mo MCA is basically education area bana nursery bine biras bia ECD bitakere kwa gachu within a ward again tokende kwa kwanera mangane bursary we hope tingankwa na twalenge bursary but advisory nere arwete Nairobi egatebanga bursary cha high school na university county government nitakere kwa nana Gavana Simba challenge liruberiri we hope ngango chabanyora tole response ere positive together nyara kwa abana ba secondary bursary ngento kende ne bursary ya TVET yani G Polytechnic ronga getenga mkonya ko work baronit na baira nyare ko enanu gavana tetenga maybe in 1 or 2 weeks na bora nyore ko banga ya chakire ko enanu so we needing na into we are in a state of waiting tobanye torenga usenchi nyare ko materialize
Thank you so much. Agunguru ase ensemo yechisemi and things are going well asengencho nindo chegati ya maporio igati turaswa ase ensemo yechipara basi boitangare so far so good umwako iganimete you still have another year gochaka I think June.
The year starts in June. Mwako tolino mwako chagete June.
June last year.
Like
okari which para bwa and what you have in plan as a financial year bosio.
Biemano. First tagata chipara tu abegete last year mwako 2023-2024 inchirite chitanya arete kokoru. I think I have chipara ibere contractor etwegasi lakini tachiete site. Na roje gaba na rote directive contract yega cancelled. We hope ngantanyore contracting ao ende chokora chipara icho. Chipara cha 2024-2025 tubwata chipara ngenane chiro check and confirm nganchi abete procured lakini bone problem tubwata nene needing a contractor na yemo. Say constituency ite abo basi tubwata one contractor. Ebunge ngima. And that is one thing I always disagree no Monenebwe County. There is no reason at all yoko tuare contractor yemo as a constituency. And I got to what a contractor yemo Clinton. It means you are killing even the economy of your own county. If you go down into the economics involved, realizing you work on a contract, most of the time we say within that county. So money circulation as na jikonya goncho kana na se county ya kwanya ranga chia chirenzi. Tu alenga nyoranga tuanyole chi contractor chinyinge kango chipare chicherire. But the end of I want to commend him. I've seen the work he's doing in other wards, Taraika ward yane, but I've seen chi ward chiria chire how fast he has been able to do egasi yo kolema chipara. I'm waiting and I'm prayerful. Next ka ukore ward yale ache yane. Ono njensa betenga ka ukore kororo ache yane. But rende my mind has been clear koru the word go. It is not right. Kwa contract yemo chipara chonsi constituency ngima. Iyo kuitana mbali baka kore mangana contracting. And then I will the economy ye county.
Agu ase nsemo ye chipara kwate bringa andake chirichita enegetwe the last year.
The last year. Tu abada tu road chita enetugo. Ta kore tu lakini rende naro che contract ye kaba terminated munga akaba appointed. We hope ngoyo oetu na kore chipare in good time na anda akore kwende mbure tala chaka gotu because once again mbure chakire gotu there are some places munabona ali paranere ko kuriyo baranya kondiere this road could last year no era say budget abantu banya kondiere they cannot even access their homes kale mbure twete gali to konyara gweta to gweta na gali to gweta na pikipiki so kwanyora ngabante bago suffer because of our yani bongora bweito kibesa chia bekru but asengi to bwato bongora na ene contract iko beyemo kwanyora the process by the time ago cha weka gose mata witangare embure ya chakire gotu you know toliko blame the mondo go blame diga no mo MCA but in essence me as an MCA tindiko control contract go cha witangare tindiko control ngo cha ko para cha witangare nobody ngo cha ko para cha witangare I don't know nobody that information some of the times I want to that information so we know muchanda to bwata bonika but inchengo saba para chiri chikoru abantu banyara konyora sibagweta
nase ensemo tikatura kwandira ensemo ya mache ase ebunge abasibo itangare sofa
amache I want to recommend we had Chispring Chiarenge 6 as we speak today all of them Chiakoliru and they are very fenced Kikaroke I want to appreciate hopefully in the next financial year
Gire functional chance
yeah they are functional boniga hopefully in the next financial year nero to weke chiba sa to rehabilitate chisaregete like there is a spring ere side ya Nyaguku gotumeka na abana be secondary and the entire catchment ya region ya Nyaguku ya tegete so we have to go deep into our pockets again to teme kwenye mend as we wait for the budget cycle because you need see to konyara ko again to get within the budget.
Thank you so much ngorangi twa Ndongere tu ebira se plan yago ya 2025 yo kaneki.
We've talked about mangana ECD. We've talked about
by the ECD ngero
ECD ntwakwanira. They will be done. We have 4. And a few dispensaries chitakere kokoro completion. Those are some of the things to get ready. And then jengo sabanga gaki His Excellency asa karansa asugume kabisa abafanyikazi ba minister ba chief officer tinyare we implement ibintu so that no ene libere limokere we so today you know it's been very popular but libere yakere como soera if he does ibintu biga iso kore ibintu yaso kore birasi yaso kore ibintu bintu nakonyanga libere yakere ere gabanda yakere ko bolingi simba kolire eli maswali taka bolukorokare etoko ndeke nyuko bolunga yo balengi kwa kolire ye kirenga kire wana cha golunga tatangi wana wata kolire so ka gebigo koru na into to konyere una ba MC ne ntanyo leta te bia bande into to batega ntu akora iyo
ikura sense me yitika bono toso sense mo ya maborio mwanchu muligere chinga kina chechi garinde mushimi wataranya ko bakako so kura sense studio anyara ko bakako baira ndregati ya maborio nare ga igata etiri etari era kinyago tebanga abagusi be korege siasa abo tebanga nigo chikura Chirobosio nigo babwente ko achesiri yabo bosege wika mwaka obwechiri bubere 20 na isano na isato yere 2028 kero konyore serikali yeri tukeri ya soira sekero gotebanga bagusina barache ko tiwesiko ya serikali onyeti bari gochia kweroberia bwangwega. Thank you so much oyo no mwanchu murigeria narega iga tarate bari etari era kini akoboringa ask mheshimiwa, does it concern you the county spends very little in development out of 30%? Ngorengingwa ate about it concerns you una MCA na bego morai kurwa sense ya bas boitangare. Does it concern you the county spends very little in development?
It is a serious concern. Clinton akaro konyoranga ase account ite koro ku CRF account to what 3.46 billion. 3.46 billion is a lot of money. Is goligeri town ya Bosongo. I don't know what goligeri mono because I've done economics. Akaro gutara through this town you can feeling a besanchi. When you have 3.6 billion lying idle in the CRF account, what it means you staffing your own county yani you are suffocating a county yago and the money flow nkeyo money flow nilinga wakane contractor ndi akane sa golete simiti ulwe simiti era kana sa supply and then contract lingo ende hotel era gere hotel. That is now the money flow. You have got a lot of money. Chire aido ne tauni yetu kere bunerega it has to concern all of us in the leadership. And we ask now His Excellency the Governor to look into mechanisms. I think this narrative you know, this narrative it can be used good for as a political space. But now when you are in office you should be able to tell us if there is a wavy, you should be able to tell us what na siekere nyarebe amenyota kuiba yarebe ona ibete gento to secret. But when you have 3.46 billion kire aido na abantu betu achandegete, it tells you that there is a problem. They have find time I can send executive ya ne cabinet ya for solve this problem tibesa jibe etawni yeito.
Thank you so much gago narega agotebanga am Obed German agotebanga kurwa sense me ingare junction stage agotebanga I salute mheshimiwa together in this narega agotebanga kurwa Itumbe akoboringa mheshimiwa ninki kirase kabu ase abasingi. I don't know what that mean. Abasingi
na mategerere is trying to ask so within what and what how clans.
Oh yes. Agotanga ngikero rasense me amagendra sabasi
mono ndo bwata chipara neri kana mention chipara chiri na renge overall ndo bwata chipara chito ko within region ya Bosingi and few water springs and an ECD class.
Thank you so much. Gobono yunyare kota kwantire tare batirende
na iwe question ingi aminete.
Agotebanga ni Zafania kurwa sensemo ya tabaka agotebanga ine no MCA ninki serikali enene ya korra se wadi ase ensemo ya magendra. I think aminete ase wadi yago sensemo ya magendro kurwa se serikali enene.
Sasa serikali you see bono wako muri maswali ya serikali
Project
but
government
really,
ya
I have
serikali.
seen few classes ichikachia CBC that tells you that the government is committed na mangana education. I have seen again tokana na rota ni classes ya CBC bono
iyo nyara kobaga koigwa ribori gago nare go bwata very critical question agotebanga korengita kwantiri taria yega agotebanga ask honorable Obare why the people work in their offices inubuna ba MCA asensemo yemeshara yabo nkonyorwere ke omurobero ribo gwakanirwa iyo konyorobo bwene kwa serikali osha na NSSF gobuturu barase mushahara obo lakini account yabo turi ko reflect agotebanga wanakatwa na itumi huko what are the MCAs doing to sort this mess? Has it been happening asaba kolega siba gobuno mu MCA
mushahara konyoru I can tell you no ni mushahara no December ikorona kana mushahara konyoru is normal. Sometimes we go 2-3 months without salary and it is a problem across kwende county chonsi but ikikio kona chusha na kwende without reflecting I'm not aware unless make a follow up even.
Thank you so much. Go igurega go abakori emiremo lakini abakori bago beno barabo they are paid nkona ngwa kan robale the SHA NSSF
as long as you're payroll it's automatic. It's automatic ngona chore SHA ngona chore na housing levy.
Naregaiga kurwa sensemo ya Masimba it is a good question agotabanga from the past Mheshimiwa Obare you've been criticizing the policies the way the county government they will implement its development agendas bagotabanga ngoikaso ga change tune bose ngoikiraso ga change the tune bono you are really recommending the executive for doing a good bagotabanga what changed your attitude especially when whether this 2025 executive
you see it is not change of attitude and after again to talk about it ni implementation ya budget ona kale budget ya kwa implemented tinta kale ko comment you know kada to kubulia maswali ali talinge tole segi ekara ngote his excellency for instance there is nothing account yako rebo itangare tali erengo rwani inche bosses bane na baitangare I owe allegiance gochia se baitangare na ngo kwana on their behalf ekara ndoje chipara chirebube na nje mbaganga akelio gimatenga boitangare para nchiyo so abantu bari bako imagine ngo bare na simbe baetaine in reality timbo at anything personal kerabe osekerambeke ngange gabana but if we go criticize ga mangane contract yem that is the wrong thing. Even when I meet him, it is difference in opinion, which is very normal as a democracy.
It's the only difference in ideology. Sigo, naregaiga utakire ko manyangi ge kogera igo tarise. Naregaiga agotabanga Matthew Machogu kurwa sense media ya Burabu agotabanga chiwodi se serikali county ya Kisii magendo trapa biego. Thank you so much. That is your opinion. Naregaiga agotabanga congratulations gocha so Mheshimiwa Thomas Obare. You have a good stand to help your people of Voitangare. Carry on. I support your views. Moigwa agotanga retired Chief James Onchoke agotebanga Moigwa carry on noare na narega kurukwanga James Okeo kurwa Gesusu akuboria abarai egesa kukyomo gusi bonde bwensi botaya agotebanga bachamo babwatiranie agotabanga bagusia bakeroba abarai bakuboria bachamo babwatirane igatia bombare bachieta sense media ya Mulima Kenya abande mbaro batachiete mbaro batigarete nka yagoteba bona kubori nka itoroche kera abande bachire iga abande bachiete abande ntora manyasi bare gochibosionga kirende obomo bomo gusibo gochikoba if we've not shown a sense of unity as of now
you see nagotebi ekine ebine birengeri abantu achakire go share so birengeri ebigo build up ngora at one time onyo rengo mugusi 20 pit wanyare go kwana in one voice but currently nduraika gabu a process ya chakire so we can only commending we hope audio go changa nero murai about to unify twensi. Some of us very different political parties. So but if we can find inga to kwande to anchira nile nga toso SIDM, it will be okay. But still na toso SIDM ntoko so twensi. Bale ba chakotikara maega wake bale ba chakogera moina wake, so which is very normal as a democracy. Ntoko nyara kukwana in one voice twensi EP, but endo togosa majority yani balia bange banyare ko besa IDM
narega ukuboya sengenjo ndoche narege go basi bitangara kinti gatura rigerio yagote banga ni Denzo akurwa sensemo ya nyanchwa agote banga ningi yako garomura ibwensi ya Kenya muskwile muruto kirachira sorongorwa gusi tariko nyora ibagari gusangana bana inchi kerokorengania na kirachire ne chinsemo chinde arafa agote banga ask mheshimiwa bare kama ataingia chama ya Mugusi ikiundwa ama atabaki UDA nkwa mention tuli mubwata ni UDA but you subscribe to such political ideas lakini yakubodikega nga kiromura ibwensa chire rogongorwa gusi atariko rokanaga gusangana abantu sana bunako sangana chinsemo chinde korengana ribori rya
Kinji nalo de murai wense ga kora mekutano but na maoni yae I believe nga William I don't need to speak for him but most of the time jana malode itako nyora bwa the function okoruma kwenda ngumira abantu maybe atakere bono ko make it more frequent
this body ya kabira gote anga ikema kyo Mugusi ko ba will you be joining
about the voice of the people is the voice of God. Onyo Mugusi oteba ne direction togochi. I will definitely follow direction ilio Mugusi ateba. But currently as we speak Mugusi tabwa tikiama. Giriara ateba nga twensi pita soe. Ntobwa ate vyama mbali lakini ntora kwana in one voice nanga itogochi. Injemna nako rastimbo atichama. Njena chora to independent. So njeninde ready paswa chama ende onsi lakini yebwata interest yo Mugusi ekina kiegente kanene
ago kwa mwera na irubia nade kai kapono I think no yokurubo basi boitakane agota ngo mheshimiwa bare epara ya omubaya nera se budget
it is there it is ko rulio bara ende tomubaya bugeka they ende kuchinya kondiera it is a v shaped kind of road near
igonera se budget
it is there hopefully actually ne para ne bado ko within that region yo mobaya e para ya ko number T buying centers or karikura so to what now that we have like 10 roads takere ko koru hopefully nge contract ga ko korre ko ruchi chinde mapema echimbure chala chaka gutu
narigaiga ogosorra gotebanga mheshimiwa bare kindly talk deeply about vocational training centers challenges na boigo the future plans of what on this
in Waitangale mbwate one vocational training center kwa St. Kizito. St. Kizito as a program na kwa ranya kwa rigete program na kwa launch in partnership na KCB. St. Kizito is one of the colleges che benefited kwa as a program really. We hope to find more students who go in technical college in as much as vocational training centers but a lot of challenges. I think even the funding model vocational training centers nita kirikoba relooked into. Most of them echiro rakini nchibuati financial support. I know there is a challenge there.
Because there is a good plan on the same.
I don't want to say that there is a good plan. Jina kwa nere yerebuane. Na tebanga yaba earmarked ko host abana bagabe program ya county government na KCB. That means even funding. But I know that vocational training centers in Chibuate a lot of challenges that can be addressed near county. But that is a good point to hear is so that even as we head into the budgeting process here June, it is one of the key policies county government how do they manage vocational training centers.
Aso kokora sense mega ya SMS na regaiga whatever Ababusi. Do you understand Ababusi? What is Ababusi? Narega whatever my chairman wa Ababusi agotevanga at the county of Kisii. Isimiane yangire na raga bwa tedi body origi ya sana but we'll get to it rinde tomanye kerengeriki abwate kurende ko asensemo ya WhatsApp narega whatever Honorable Bare is a good legislature. He is doing well and articulating issues so decently. Agotebanga let him cooperate with the governor Simba for development of his ward. Oyakorokanga Bernard Nyaora, youth leader Bomachoge Chache. Agotebanga you articulating issues very well. Ebwatana na nomo governor. Mwene kiama gendra sensemo ya basi boitangare.
Asante.
Thank you so much. Onyara kobaga ko igwa eyo na rega gotebanga Anmora kurwa sensemo yemenwa. Nyamware agotabanga say hi to my good friend Mheshimiwa Bare is more wise agotabanga agoko saba onyara koba ko gotenena akonekia buna nko kwanirora sebinto biko genda bube konekia serikali county ya Kisii nko balance yere development. Now that narora esimiane ya bieviriga oye onarora gotabanga ine to incento mili chairman wa babusi agotabanga ababusi tibana kwa kano 18 months ne serikali ye county ya Kisii I don't know na kiaminity ya sensemo ya babusi ababusi I don't know usaminity abakuri kasi serikali ya county I don't know agotanga for 18 months tibara kono timeti
18 months I don't know that question really tinda understanding ya ngobori
he bono narege go kwandrang Mheshimiwa Bare Keigamere primary no nyamaite you
it is my word
it's working asengenyo tochika gotabanga eigorwe Keigamere primary you nero nataka kumanyanga ki.
What is the question about Keigamere?
Arigetenga gaki Mheshimiwa Thomas Igora ya gita Keigamere primary.
Oh nyagitari. I understand the issue for this. Nyagitari ya Keigamere it was proposed. Lakini kanyorungi agachire within a school room. So kare officials be county ba chetoro there was a disagreement. The committee eliye tenete gari egatebanga they look for land ebe ya marked for a dispensary. That has not been mbara settled on that. Once that is settled we can be able now to budget money utonyara kubeke dispensary around the region ya Keigamere.
So what is the main challenge?
The main challenge is land, availability of land. Ngaye ko beku because it is within a school room. You cannot have a dispensary a class yeke dispensary unless it is now for the school. But for community because abantu ngo babale bako walk in and out of the dispensary we need a dispensary outside the school. That was a directive Kuruse Ministry of Education.
Thank you so much. Onyar kobaga koigo gari hoyo Boniface Kinara kura sense my Facebook account. I like the stand of Honorable Bare. Please tell him to continue pushing development for our ward. Na liga gorura Frederick Nera goteba Bare no muntumia. Agotebanga utatiga obo MP wabo basi mbobe bore agotebanga agakubwatira no kuyega tio mu MP na ba MCA nkuraba buya kwikirani gati ya magendro. Thank you so much na bari bonsi bene kya kubwatiria igaiga bono twanyara ko batu exhaust a lot. I think inko yari bago umweshimiwa kunyara ko bago kure nkwana yago yo mwerio na boigo ukobuya bochiase abarai bagusi gochibosyo ngake imirobiri yo barai bwage siasa burache ko bana boigo kwandira abantu bago basi boitangare.
Mbiyabono the first I address bosses bane bali baboitangare ntaite koteria abantu baboitangare nga ntomaite nga we've had a few challenges here and there. Lakini basavenga mba lose imani na nje obalolio ba promised ndulia promised. I have done my part and I hope going forward the county government now will do its part on the part of implementation each project twanyare kobeka John CEP as a budget yeito. Again tokende asa magendera tu abangire aise kokorwa nabaona ne libera riroro onyoranga lyakeire kento kende sabo mugusi bwensi pia sabeta tetoligereringa tonya kwebanga yangora iga CCS ya 2027 ngare kare lakini lende ne bale tigo mugusi yanye kwebanga ngora but ntoba sako make magoso yoko baisiko ya serikali iyo.
Thank you so much. Twanyara ko batuko kodra igagwa ase rero batirende I don't feel we get back kurenda banta umete na boba ko yata chikura na boba ko yigete mere munarega batabanga.
It's okay.
Riko riage tacho nyamagwa abatabanga turari kwandra
na lio actually ere nyamawa getacho nyamawa soka nyamawa mission and nyamawa mixed primary esokari aranga. That is one of the roads in our area and 2023-2024 lakini contractor yagende site ya kobereri advertised contracting we pare nyare kolikora
nare kai gori twasinyugo some ujumbe yago tabanga pantu bari bakwa busa chichiro amine tyaba
aba
ke musikia ikya kongo aba tabanga bari bakwa busa chichiro they have not been paid for the last 18 months.
His Excellency at office, they try to do away with casual staff. Most of them are getting casual, which it is very unfortunate. In our colleagues for 18 months, now that it has been brought to our attention, we're in a assembly on 13th. We can be able to raise that question: why we have county staff what are on payroll?
Yeah, so you go and I can name it to go back. You can the sector is streamlined. You can go committing a kibatara akano for all this long.
No, it is very sad. For 18 months, and you can't even provide for them. Again, very sad. Hopefully that will be resolved about back and
narega finally ogotabanga e factory mobaya kuranye kwandra sekitari gukore gas.
Factory Mobile is a donor funded project. Actually, it's not under the county. We have been trying to engage a donor. Torose factory never revived. County tebugat much say apart from licensing yoke. It's a good project. The project is very implemented. So it's one thing I'm following up. Site.
Thank you so much. Yo no Mheshimiwa Thomas Ovare mwemsi we ward ya basi boitangaro sangire na intoke gase enkwana ya Getembe twarigeria mange kurwa sobora ibwage siasa asorongorwa gusi county yiga andemono ya Kisii na bego bakorerwa serikali county ya Kisii twarigeria magendro no borai ase ward ya basi boitangare mbuya mona ase bari baina kya gusangana into gutoma mabodi na bego kubwateria umurobiriga nande ejuma hegocha ase enkwana ya Getembe guchakira chinsa ibirene nusundo chikogendra gusanga na kwemanya kurwa ase abara yabaga Vaito hariaga tukura sechinse mejo. Thank you so much Mheshimiwa Thomas for creating time for us. We are looking forward na ande gocha komera nase itukundigo mwancho murigeria to skare na ande gekuraga chinsa inye chobo tukobware ro ninchikoira na ase ekyonga chinsa inye tonyarko batokandra gusanga na kwemanya aria na kiyokura chinsemo au kendra gutwaro borigeri bya bwemero bya gandrete ya Getembe TV. Lucas Mogaka kurumega ye camera na boygo mo director na DJ Atsan na bumende kyabu na marigune chibichango chara senchirengia chenkuru kwa Clinton Ndigi tomera nikora chinsanya.
Nilan Hub, neye moya chiduka.